In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the wall closures in Revit. For example, if I adjust the window, you can notice that our plaster changes accordingly, both on the outside and on the inside. Let's go. Alright, so the first step is you need to have multiple layers in your wall. So for example, if I select this wall, you can notice that it has a bunch of layers. And what's also important is that the wraps are switched on for the layers you'd like to wrap around. So in this case, I've wrapped the finish in the outside area of this wall and also in the inside area where I have this finish wrapped on. And what's also important is here, you can either wrap it at inserts, which is the openings, directly from here, or at the ends. So I'll show that to you shortly. Or I would suggest that you control this from your family. So for example, here I have a window family. If I want to control this here, I can select the family, click on edit type, and we have something called the wall closure parameter. So if you want to control this, you will need to adjust the settings here. So right now I've used both. Now, for example, if I use neither, then our plaster goes straight and hits the wall here. Now, if I want to wrap only the outside, then I can select the window again and select exterior. So then it wraps till this edge, and I can also move it according to the window here. And also for the inner side that's possible, or both. So how do I control this according to the window placement? So for example, the plaster moves according to the window. Now if I want to control this, I will need to go to the family. So I will need to click on edit family. Now this is how I built my family. If you like this family, you can head to the link in the description and you can download this family. So in this family, in the ground level, you can notice that we have a reference plane here and our reference plane here. And this is the offset from the outside. So that's how I control this. Now, for example, if I go to my project and if I select the family here, there's something called the Fensterbank Rucksprung, or basically this the sill level offset. So here I can either change it by typing it in manually, or you find these, since it is a instance parameter, you'll find these arrow marks and you can simply change it on the fly for each window as well. So in order to adjust this, an important setting in your family is when you select the reference plane, there's something called wall closure here. So you would need to switch this on in order to make it a wall closure reference plane. So I've switched this on for this reference plane and also the reference plane down. So when it is not activated, you cannot use it in your project. So make sure the wall closure is switched on as well. So for example, I can switch this off here for the reference plane at the bottom, and I'll load this back into our project. Can overwrite the existing version. So now you can notice that our plaster here goes all the way to only that one single reference plane which had the wall closure on. So if you want this kind of a setting, you can keep only one reference plane as the wall closure. So that's how you adjust the plaster. I will create a separate video on how you can create such windows from scratch along with the right reference planes and more. So I hope you like this video, and do subscribe for more such videos, and we'll be releasing a course soon on Revit with a BIM approach. I'll keep you guys posted on that. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next video. Cheers.